back. So today I'm going to build the Lego Friends polybag set flower stand with roses. So it's a small set. So it's a set that Leon's included, and we have a small guidebook over here. It's not actually a book actually, but anyway, it kind of looks like a poster, but it has like two parts. And so it looks like this. And so let's build Leanne first. So Leanne's wearing these cute pants. It looks very nice. Okay, so this is Leanne, and she's not holding any sort of accessories. It's just Leanne. So, okay, let's build the flower stand now. So we have two Lego Friends polybag sets this year. So this one, and there's also this like polybag that Paisley is included. I think it was like Garden Bunny House or something. I kind of forgot the name. But anyway, it's something like that. But this one I got from like gift with purchase, but that one with Paisley, there is no gift with purchase. So I don't know how I'm going to get that one, but anyway, this stand looks so nice. There's also like watering cans, scissors, and some papers on the table to wrap the flowers. And we have a pink rose and also like this lighter tone, kind of like peach colored flower over here. They both look really pretty. And on the top, we have a super big rose, pink rose. I actually like pink roses more than red roses more than pink ones. I don't think pink ones are so pretty. I actually like red ones and white ones. So anyway, now it's finished and it looks so cute, right? But I kind of also think that it would have been nice if they also made a small bouquet of red roses, not like these big ones on the roof, but the small ones. I think they would have been nice too. So now let's start playing with this set. So now Nova is here. Flowers. Hi Nova. Hi Leanne. Oh, the one that you're holding looks very nice. Can I have that one? Oh, sure. I'll just wrap it for you. Okay, so now there's like paper on the floor that Leanne uses to wrap the flowers. So there you go. Now Leanne wrapped the flowers. Here you go, Nova. Oh, thanks, Leanne. So now Leanne sold one flower, and so the one that's left is the kind of like the peach colored one. So she's going to also like water it a little bit and take care of it. But anyway, she's going to put paper back on the table in case she needs to wrap some more flowers. So now she's watering it and kind of like cutting this one, making it look pretty like this. And now this flower also looks nice and neat. So she's going to wait for her next customer inside her stand. I think her stand looks so pretty, don't you think? Like pink and white looks nice and simple. Looks very nice. And so now she has another customer. Oh, can I buy this one? Sure. Thanks, Leanne. Bye, Autumn. So now Leanne sold all of her flowers. So she's going back inside the garden to pick some more flowers and make her pretty bouquet. So now this is the end of the playing. It looks so cute, right? I think this stand is very nice. But if you ask me, like they don't sell polybags in the online site, right? So I don't know how people like buy polybags because I get polybags for like gift with purchase, but if it's not gift with purchase, I don't know how people buy polybag sets. Anyway, this is the end of the video. Bye bye!